Hello all, welcome to a Rapid Fire series where we bring you the smartest, quickest and most actionable insights, all served with a side of fun. So I am Aditya, your host from Pronix team, and first of all, a very happy new year from Pronix team, and thank you for being part of our community, and we are incredibly grateful for your support, and we are excited to kick off this new year together. So today we are diving into a topic that transforming both factory floors and boardrooms. So that is AI and HR in manufacturing, from hiring and reskilling to ethics and workforce transformation. AI is redefining how HR leads in this industry. And to break it all down, we are joined by a leader who is driving real change. Please welcome Cyrena Raeder. She is a Vice President of Human Resources at Nexus Circular. So Cyrena, welcome.
Thank you. And Happy New Year to everyone.
So before we jump into a rapid fire mode, Cyrena, could you share a quick introduction for our audience?
Absolutely. So, again, my name is Cyrena. I have over 20 years of HR experience, mostly in the manufacturing space. I started off at PrintPack, went to Mativ, and now I've been at Nexus for over 3 years. Definitely very familiar with the ins and outs of manufacturing and absolutely looking forward to how AI fits into that.
Fantastic. All right. You are about to face 8 high impact rapid fire questions. So no overthinking, just real insights. Are you ready?
I'm ready when you are.
Perfect. Let's go. So what's the boldest change AI is bringing into manufacturing HR right now?
So I would say speed. We're trying to move from reactive to predictive. And so AI, is going to help us with talent planning that's 10 steps ahead of us, right? Not 2 steps behind.
Predictive beats reactive every time. So next one. With generative AI on the rise, so how is hiring evolving for frontline manufacturing roles?
So we're hiring for mindset now, not just muscle memory, right? And people kind of going through the motions. Curiosity is going to be our new core skill set when we think about it.
That's a big shift. Let's
Absolutely.
keep moving. One word that future fit for HR in manufacturing.
So I would say adaptive. The days of one size fits all, or this is how we've always done it, those days are gone and they're being replaced very quickly.
Short and powerful. Adaptive. So next. How are AI agents supporting employees on the shop floor today?
So I would say, think about AI as your digital coworker. You're not going to have clipboards in your hand, and it's going to be real time, in the moment coaching and support that AI can offer.
Digital coworkers. I like that word. AI bias in hiring, scary or promising?
I would say it's actually both. AI is like fire, right? It's powerful if you can contain it, but it's dangerous if you ignore it. And so I think of HR, we're the firefighters and we're the architects.
Strong analogy. Let's talk skills. So reskilling is huge. How should HR tackle it?
So it should be very much like a supply chain. We need to be strategic, agile, and have zero tolerance for waste. You need to invest early and you need to always measure.
Manufacturing logic applied to HR here.
That's right.
Next. Manufacturing's workforce is aging. So how do you plan for generational shifts?
So I really feel like that's a blend, right? You have to blend the wisdom of the experience that you have along with that spark that new talent can bring. And so you really want to think of mentorship as our secret weapon. And that's really how you're going to blend it.
Experience plus energy. perfect combo. Final question. So, what's HR role in responsible AI rollouts?
So I would look at HR as the conscience of the company, right? We don't just ask, can we use it? But we ask, should we use it? And then it's, how do we use it? And it always needs to be responsibly.
That's powerful. So, 8 rapid fire questions packed with insight. So, Cyrena, thank you for sharing how AI is reshaping HR and manufacturing workforce.
Yeah, thank you for having me. I really appreciate it.
So, viewers, if you found this session valuable, follow Pronix and tune in for our next AI Rapid Fire episode in this year. So, until next time, stay curious, stay human, and stay ahead. Thank you.
Thank you.